All right, guys, got a couple things today. Storage in the RZR Pro series, RZR Turbo R, RZR Pro R, kind of limited, especially since I have a heater in this glove box now, so that one's kind of gone. This one's quite small, and then you just have your little cup holder here, which, you know, there's a little bit of storage there, but you have kind of this dead space here. I did some insulation on this back wall, which kind of keeps some of that heat and noise and stuff away. But what I was looking for is something that kind of fits in this area, preferably some sort of a bag, something I can put phone, wallet, you know, snacks, whatever you want to put in it. So reached out to Kemi Moto, and I got, try and get this open one-handed, got this bag. I think it's going to work out perfect. And I've had some of their door bags before, and I've been pretty happy with them. Hold on. Okay. So here's the door bag. Let me get it out of the packaging here. Okay. Now I'm done fumbling the camera around. So here's the bag. It's a decent size, contour to fit between the seats. So we'll open her up here. We got our instructions. Look like they're decently laid out. Looks like it has 4 push pins. Drill a couple holes, 4 push pins to hold it together. Up against the wall. 2 more holes down in there. So it's got a nice zippered pocket. It's got a net pocket here. And if you want to take it out, I guess you could carry it, but I'm going to mount it so it stays inside the RZR. So let's take a look and see what it looks like inside here, I guess. Basically perfect. That's exactly what I was looking for. I might have to move my camera mount, but other than that, should be pretty good. So I'll drill the holes like it lays out on the instructions, and I'll show you what we got. Here's the push pins. So 2 holes in the top, 2 holes in those inside holes of the bag. Should be pretty simple. Okay, super easy. All you gotta do, you need a 5/16 drill bit. Drill a hole here and here. There and there. And she's all done. You got a pocket in the back here. You got a mesh pocket there. You got a pocket on the front, and you got a pocket that zips this whole top in. Pretty slick. And now it's stuck there. But whatever you put in, it's not going anywhere. So, on a little side note, if you have a RZR with a click 6 or a 4-point harness in it, the bag keeps your harnesses from going behind the seat. So it's always a pain in the butt. They flop back there and you got to reach back when you get in. Now, no matter how you take your harnesses off, they can only go back as far as that bag. So when you get in, you're ready to strap up again and hit the trails. So, nice little unexpected perk.